This is the MyPilotPro Spyder Mount Bundle. These mounts attach to surfaces that most standard suction cups can't handle, and are compatible with all action cameras, including GoPro. The bundle includes the Spyder swivel, Spyder, and the MyPilotPro GoPro wrench. These mounts were designed around the need to attach to any windshield, no matter its shape or size. These windshield mounts are milled from aircraft aluminum and are outfitted with stainless steel hardware. The mounts have a neoprene washer that eliminates aircraft vibration. All are designed for aircraft interiors, not exterior. Also, all these products are made and assembled in America. These mounts were designed around the need to attach to any windshield, no matter its shape or size. Simply moisten all three suction cups, place it where you want it, and firmly push down on the tops of the three suction cups. Releasing the suction cups is just as easy. Simply pull on the tab on each suction cup and they will release. Now for a quick flight.
No problem.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. There are links in the comments area showing where you can get these products. Please subscribe to our channel And also check out our website for fun places to fly and aviation events.